Welcome to the course. This course is all about how to create a powerful PowerPoint presentation in gamma.ai website and tome.ai website. You can create the PowerPoint presentation in just fraction of seconds. I can show you how to easily convert our PowerPoint presentation to the PPT format in the final class. So this module consists of two classes. The first class is all about how to create a powerful PowerPoint presentation in gamma.ai website. In the second module, it shows how to create a powerful PowerPoint presentation in the another AI website called tome.ai website. Each module consists of different kinds of sub-modules like how to create an account in the AI website and how to create a topic in the AI website and how to generate PowerPoint presentation based on the topic. At last, we are going to see how to export the PowerPoint presentation created by the AI website to our own PPT format. So let's get started. Welcome students. Today's class we are going to discuss about what is gamma.ai and how it is useful for creating a professional PowerPoint presentation in just fraction of seconds and what are the features available in the gamma.ai website. So let's get started. So what is gamma.ai? Gamma.ai is a powerful PowerPoint creator. It can create PowerPoint presentation based on your own topic in just fraction of seconds. The AI analyzes the topic you enter in the website. It can create the outlines for your own topic. You can easily modify the outlines based on your own content. Also, you can modify the themes available in the PowerPoint presentation of the gamma.ai website. You can easily modify the slides and pages, text, image, videos, audios. You can easily modify them in the PowerPoint presentation of the gamma.ai. At last, you can export the PowerPoint presentation into your own Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. It is a most important feature of the gamma.ai website. So next we talk about why do we use gamma.ai website. Gamma.ai website is a free AI website. It can create PowerPoint presentation based on your credit points. It gives free account for 400 credit points. You can also modify the credit points by referring a friend and also upgrading your premium account. In the upcoming classes, we are going to discuss about how to create an account in gamma.ai website and how to create a beautiful PowerPoint presentation in gamma.ai in just fraction of seconds. So let's get started. Welcome students. Today's class we are going to discuss about how to create an account in gamma.ai website and how to create a beautiful PowerPoint presentation in just fraction of seconds. So for that you have to select gamma.ai website. So you have to sign up for free. The free account consists of 400 credit points. There are two options available in the gamma.ai website. The first one is continue with Google and the second one is typing your email. I am going to select the first option, continue with Google. So you have to select your account for creating an account in gamma.ai website. So I am just selecting my account. So it takes time to sign in for my account. After the completion of your account, you have seen the dashboard of the gamma.ai website. In that, you have to select team or personal. If you are a group, you have to select a team. If you are a single, you have to select personal. For that, I am going to select personal. And you have to type your workspace name for continuing your account. After the typing of your workspace name, you have to select create workspace. In that, you have to select your plan to use Gamma. It consists of three options for planning to use Gamma. The first one is for work and the second one is for school and the third one is for personal use. Based on your own choice, you have to select any one of them. I'm going to select the third option for personal use. After that, each option consists of sub-options like what kind of work do you do. Like that, you have to select any kind of work for your own choice. In that, I am going to select education. For that, I am going to select student. You can also select teacher, administrator or other, but I am going to select student. You have to select your school type. I am going to select higher education and university. And the last option is how do you hear about us. It is optional. You can type any one of the social media you hear about the gamma.ai website. I am going to type Instagram. After the completion of all the details, you have to select get started. So that's it. We have successfully created an account in gamma.ai website. So in the upcoming classes, we are going to discuss about how to create an powerful PowerPoint presentation in just fraction of seconds and what are the features available in the gamma.ai website. So let's see in the next class. Welcome everyone. Today's class we are going to discuss about what are the available features in the dashboard of the gamma.ai website. So that's the important thing we are going to discuss about in the today's class. So let's get started. After the completion of your account, you can see the dashboard of the gamma.ai website. It consists of three kinds of features. The first one is the presentation, and the second one is the document, and the third one is the web page. And also in the previous class, I have discussed about the credit points for your free account. It shows 400 credit points for my free account. And also I have discussed about how to increase your credit points in the gamma.ai website. The first one is referring a friend. For referring a friend, you can get up to 200 credit points for each referral. You can also use your family member account for referring the friend. And the second one is inviting the teammate. It also gives 200 credit points for inviting the teammate. So that's the important feature of getting more credit points in the gamma.ai website. And the third one is upgrading your account. For upgrading your account, you have to pay 750 for each month. So these are the ways to increase your credit points in the gamma.ai website. So today's class is ended with what are the features available in the dashboard of the gamma.ai website. In the upcoming classes, we are going to discuss about the topic of the PowerPoint presentation, and we are going to create an outline for the PowerPoint presentation. So let's see you in the next class. Welcome everyone. Today's class we are going to discuss about the topic of the PowerPoint presentation and going to create the outline of the PowerPoint presentation in gamma.ai website. So let's get started. So for that you have to select presentation. In the box you have to type your topic. For that I am going to use this topic for my PowerPoint presentation. The topic is about the artificial intelligence and its impact on society. I am going to use this topic for creating the PowerPoint presentation. After the typing of your topic, you have to select enter. After that, you can see the gamma.ai website analyzes your topics and creates the outline for your own topic. You can also modify your topics based on your own choice. For that, I am going to use this topic and the AI creates outline for this topic. These are the outlines created by the gamma.ai website. The first one is the definition of the artificial intelligence and the brief history of AI and the AI impact on the job market and AI and ethics, AI and privacy, AI in healthcare and applications of AI in various industries. If you don't like these outlines generated by the gamma.ai website, you can also click try again to create another outlines for you. After that, you can see the gamma.ai website again generated a few outlines for my topic. You can also see the outlines generated by the gamma.ai website in brief case. You can also type your own outline in the gamma.ai website. After that, you have to type your own outline in the gamma.ai website. You can also change the language of your PowerPoint presentation available in the gamma.ai website. I am going to select English for my PowerPoint presentation. You can also modify the language based on your own choice. Before selecting the continue option, you have to recheck the topic and outline generated by the AI. For that, each presentation consists of 40 credit points. So for that, you have to recheck once again. After rechecking your topics and outlines, you can select continue option. In today's class, we have discussed about the topic in the PowerPoint presentation and created the outline of the PowerPoint presentation in gamma.ai website. And also we have discussed about how to modify the outlines generated by the AI website. In the upcoming class, we are going to discuss about what are the themes available in the gamma.ai website. So let's see you in the next class. Welcome everyone. Today's class we are going to discuss about what are the themes available in the gamma.ai website and how to modify the themes for our presentation. So let's get started. The gamma.ai website consists of different kinds of themes for your PowerPoint presentation. We are going to discuss about one by one. The first one is the default light, which is the default for your PowerPoint presentation. It consists of different kinds of primary button and the secondary button. It shows the primary button is in the white and blue and the secondary button is the opposite, the transparent blue and white. You can see the default text available in this theme. And the second one is the default dark. It shows the different kinds of modulation in the color. It shows the modulation of black and white. And the third one is the oatmeal. It shows white and ash. And the fourth one is the marine color. It shows the dark blue and the white. It shows primary button in different color and the secondary button in the different color. And the next one is atmosphere. The atmosphere looks very beautiful in primary button and the secondary button. And the next option is vortex. It is one of the most common PowerPoint presentation theme. It consists of two colors. The first one is the white and the second is the black. It is the combination of black and white. And the next option is icebreaker. And the next option is blue steel. And the next option is oasis. I don't prefer oasis for creating the PowerPoint presentation. And the next option is indigo. I can prefer indigo for creating the PowerPoint presentation. And the next option is electric. It is one of the beautiful theme available at the gamma.ai website. It consists of the primary button and the secondary button in different themes. And the next option is dune. The dune is perfect for creating the PowerPoint presentation for business contents. And the next one is mocha. It is one of the best theme for creating e-commerce PowerPoint presentation. And the next option is flamingo. And the next option is prism. The prism is mostly preferred in school days. And the next option is aurora. Aurora is the combination of beautiful colors. It can be preferred in web pages. And the next option is gamma. It consists of the name of the gamma website and also it is beautiful. And the next option is daydream. Daydream is one of the best theme for creating the PowerPoint presentation for mobile phones. And the next option is orbit. It looks like the theme of the HTML and CSS. And the last option is soft code. I usually prefer soft code for creating the PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to use soft code for creating the PowerPoint presentation based for my topic. So that's all today. We have discussed about what are the themes available in the gamma.ai website. In the upcoming class, we are going to create a powerful PowerPoint presentation based on our theme. So let's see you in the next class. Welcome everyone. Today's class we are going to discuss about how to create a powerful PowerPoint presentation based on the theme we have selected in the previous class. So let's get started. After selecting your own theme, you have to select continue for creating the powerful PowerPoint presentation. I am going to select continue, and the Gamma AI analyzes the theme and the topics and the outlines created by you, generates the PowerPoint presentation in just fraction of seconds. You can see the Gamma.ai website creates the beautiful PowerPoint presentation by its own content. It creates the outlines based on your previous class. So it is the one of the most important feature of the Gamma.ai website. It can create the PowerPoint presentation in just fraction of seconds. After the completion of your presentation, you can explore the slides created by the Gamma.ai website. You can see the Gamma.ai website creates the slides with the outlines based on the previous class we have discussed about. In the first page, it creates the topic of my PowerPoint presentation. My topic is about artificial intelligence and its impact on society. It creates the image based on the artificial intelligence. On the second page, we have the outline to Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, and it shows the description of the artificial intelligence in its own words. In the third page, it creates the outline of evolution of AI. It creates the timeline chart for the outline. It consists of the early AI development and the rapid advancement, and the last one is the current state of AI. And it shows what are the description for each outline. In the fourth page, it creates the outline for application of AI in different industries. It shows the different industries which the AI is implemented. The first one is the healthcare, and the second one is finance, and the third one is transportation, and the fourth one is the education. It also shows the description for each industries. In the fifth page, it creates the outline for our topic, ethical consideration of the AI. 4 different ethical considerations of the AI. The first one is bias and fairness, and the second one is privacy and security, and the third one is job displacement, and the fourth one is responsibility and accountability. And also it describes each ethical consideration in its own words. And in the sixth page, it creates the outline of the benefits of AI in society. It shows the benefits of AI in 4 different topics. The first one is improved efficiency and productivity, and the second one is enhanced decision making, and the third one is advancement in healthcare and medicine, and the last one is automation of repetitive tasks. It shows that the AI type its own biography in our PowerPoint presentation. And in the 7th page, in the Gamma.ai discuss about the outline called the challenges and the concern of AI. It shows the 4 challenges and concerns of AI. The first one is ethical concern, and the second one is lack of transparency, and the third one is potential for misuse and abuse, and the fourth one is fear of job loss. These are the challenges of the AI. And the last outline of the topic is the future of AI. It creates the timeline for the future of AI outline. The first one is possibilities and potential advancement, and the second one is integration of AI in everyday life, and the third one is ethically responsible AI development. And then the last page, it shows the conclusion of our PowerPoint presentation about artificial intelligence and its impact on society. At last, you can come to the conclusion, the outlines and the topic generated by us, it analyzed by the Gamma.ai website and creates the beautiful PowerPoint presentation in just fraction of seconds. So today's class is ended with how to create an PowerPoint presentation in Gamma.ai website. In the upcoming classes, we are going to discuss about what are the features available in the Gamma.ai website for the PowerPoint presentation. So let's see you in the next class. Welcome everyone. Today's class we are going to discuss about how to modify the contents generated by the Gamma.ai website. We are going to discuss about two important features available in the Gamma.ai website. The first one is the card layout and the second one is the text layout. We are going to discuss about two features in today's class. In the upcoming classes, we are going to discuss about another two important features in the Gamma.ai website. So let's get started. Layout, we have to select this option. This option shows card styling. We have to select this option. For that, it shows different kind of options. It shows different kinds of layout. The first layout is no layout, and the second one is top layout, and the third one is left layout, and the fourth one is right layout, and the fifth one is background layout, and the default one is left layout. If you want to change the layout, we have to select any one of them. I am going to select right layout. So the layout changes immediately after we select the option. You can also change to any one of the layout. I am going to select top layout. I am going to select top layout as my default layout. And the other options available in the card layout is accent image. We can edit the image generated by the Gamma.ai website. For that, I am going to select edit. You can also select any one of the image. So I am going to select this image, and the next option available is card color. We can select any one of the color. I am going to select default color as black. And the next option is full bleed card. You can also disable this option. And the next option is wide content. You can also disable this option. And the last option is backdrop. You can also add any one of them. So I don't want this option. So I am going to delete this option. And the next option we are going to discuss is about how to add a new page to our slide. For that, we have to select plus button. It shows that add blank card. You have to select this option. After selecting the option, you can see the new blank page is generated by the Gamma.ai website. You can also type your own content to your PowerPoint presentation. For that, I am going to type any one of the topic like benefits of AI. You can also add any one of the images to your own content. In the upcoming classes, we are going to discuss about that. Next option we are going to discuss is about how to change the text option in the Gamma.ai website. For that, you have to select your text. You can see the 3 button option is enabled in your text. For that, you have to select any one of the options like heading, title or any one of them. I am going to select heading 1 as my default. You can also select title. I am going to select heading as default. You can also bold your content. Otherwise, you can change it to italics. Or you can underline your text. Or strike through your text. Or adding any code to your text like HTML, CSS. You can also remove the formatting. After removing the formatting, it goes to the default option. You can also change the text to the link by adding the link option. You can copy paste any URL in the link. So I am going to copy this URL and paste it here. You can also change your text color. You can see the link is working properly. You can also open the link. You can also modify the text formatting from this option. You can also see the two options available, headings and the list. I'm going to select title. You can also type your own title. You can also modify the title by selecting this option we have discussed previous. You can also align to center. You can also give number to your text. There are different kind of text options available in the gamma.ai website. So that's it. Today's class we have discussed about how to change the card layout and how to add a blank page to your slides and how to modify the text present in the PowerPoint presentation. In the upcoming classes, we are going to discuss about how to change the video and the image of the PowerPoint presentation. So let's see you in the next class. Welcome everyone. Today's class we are going to discuss about how to modify the images and how to add videos to your PowerPoint presentation. So let's get started. For the modification of the image, you have to select the image in the PowerPoint presentation. I am going to modify this image, so that I am going to select this option. For image changing, there are different kinds of options available in the gamma.ai website. The first one is image upload. You have to drag and drop your image in the gamma.ai website. You have to drag and drop your image in the gamma.ai website. So that's the one of the way to replace the image. And the second option shows web search. You can search the image in the PowerPoint presentation like AI. So that's the one of the way to replace the image. And the third option is generate image with AI. You can also type the image in the prompt. So it generates 10 credits for your image. So that's the one of the way to replace the image. And the next option is unsplash image. And the next option is GIF from Jiffy. And the last option is ascent images. These are the ways you can change the images available in the PowerPoint presentation. You can also add images to your own PowerPoint presentation. Like you can also add image to your slide by selecting this option. It is one of the same way we have discussed in the previous uploading image. It shows the same kind of ways for uploading the image. For that I am going to select web search. So you can also add images based on your own choice. So that's the important feature of the gamma.ai website for adding images to your own content. You can also modify the size of the image content based on your own choice. I'm going to align my image at the center. At last, we have discussed about how to add and modify the image present in the PowerPoint presentation. And the next feature we are going to discuss is about video option. How to add video to your own PowerPoint presentation. For that, we have to select this option. The option shows embedded videos. You can also add YouTube videos, VMO videos, Mistia, TikTok, Spotify, loam recording, and video and audio. For that, I am going to discuss about one of the future YouTube videos. You have to drag and drop the YouTube video to your slide. And also you have to copy the URL of the video and paste it in the gamma.ai website. So that I am going to copy any one of the YouTube content. You can also view the YouTube video uploaded in the gamma.ai website for your PowerPoint presentation. So that's all for the today's class. We have discussed about how to modify and add images to your PowerPoint presentation, and also we have discussed about how to add YouTube videos or any old content videos to your PowerPoint presentation. In the upcoming final class, we are going to discuss about how to export the PowerPoint generated by the gamma.ai website in the PowerPoint presentation format. So see you in the next class. Welcome everyone to the final class of PowerPoint presentation in gamma.ai website. In the previous classes, we have discussed about how to create an account in gamma.ai website and how to create a PowerPoint presentation. In today's class, we are going to discuss about how to export the PowerPoint presentation in the PPT format. For that, you have to select the 3-button option in the right corner. It shows the export option. You have to select the export option. Then you have to select export to PPT. After that, you can see the PowerPoint is downloaded with the PPT format. You can also view the PowerPoint presentation. For that, you have to select this option. At last, you can see the beautiful PowerPoint presentation created by the gamma.ai website in just fraction of seconds. You can also modify the contents in the PowerPoint presentation of the Microsoft PowerPoint. So that's it. Today's class is ended with how to export the PowerPoint presentation in PPT format. This course is all about how to create a powerful PowerPoint presentation in just fraction of seconds. It is also one of the best method in the smart work. So that's all for the today's course. Hope you see in the next course. I hope you have learned something from this. Welcome students. Today's class we are going to discuss about what is tone.ai and how it is useful for creating a professional PowerPoint presentation in just fraction of seconds. And also we are going to discuss about why do we use tone.ai website. So let's get started. So what is tone.ai? Tone.ai is a powerful PowerPoint creator. It can create PowerPoint presentation based on your topic in just fraction of seconds. The AI analyzes your topic and generates the outline for your topic. You can easily modify the outlines and generate the slides in your own PowerPoint presentation format. That's the important feature of the tone.ai website. So why do we use tone.ai website? Before the emergence of AI technologies, we have used our own time and hard work for creating a simple PowerPoint presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. After the emergence of AI technologies, we can simply type our topic, then the AI automatically analyzes our topic and generates our slides in just fraction of seconds. So that's why we have to use tone.ai to create a PowerPoint presentation in just fraction of seconds. In the upcoming classes, we are going to discuss about how to create an account in tone.ai website and how to create a powerful PowerPoint presentation in just fraction of seconds based on your own topic. So let's see you in the next class. Welcome everyone. Today's class we are going to discuss about how to create an account in tone.ai and what are the features available in the tone.ai website. For creating an account in tone.ai, you have to select tone.ai website. In that you have to click sign in. There are two options available for creating an account in tone.ai. First one is sign in with Google and the second one is sign in with Apple. I am going with sign in with Google. And then you have to select your account. Then you have to create your profile in the tone.ai website. Then you have to select your work. I am going to select my work as student. After the completion of your profile, you have to select next. Then you have to type your workspace name in the tone.ai website. Then you have to select a default theme for your PowerPoint presentation in the tone.ai website. I am going to select Neptune. In the tone.ai website, you have two plans. The first one is basic and the second one is pro. In basic option, you have 500 AI credit points for creating the PowerPoint presentation. So that's enough for creating a PowerPoint presentation. So I am going with the basic plan. There are a lot of features available in the tone.ai website, but we are going with a PowerPoint presentation of the tone.ai. In the upcoming classes, we are going to create a powerful PowerPoint presentation in the tone.ai website. See you in the next class. Welcome everyone. Today's class we are going to create an powerful PowerPoint presentation in the tone.ai website. For that you have to select create PowerPoint presentation in the right corner of the tone.ai website. In the tone.ai website, you have two different options. The first one is start with blank and the second one is create with AI. We are going with create with AI option. In that, you have to type your presentation topic in the tone.ai website. For presentation topic, I am going to use this topic as my PowerPoint presentation. The topic is about the evolution of video games from pixels to virtual reality. I am going to copy this topic and paste it in the tone.ai website. After the typing of your topic, you have to select generate outline. You can see the tone.ai website analyzes your topic and generates the outline for your topic. You can also change the outlines generated by the AI website. You can also add outlines to your own PowerPoint presentation by clicking this plus option. If you don't want any one of the outline, you can select this minus option. So that's the important feature available in the Tome.ai website. The AI analyzes your topic and generates the outline for your own topic. You can select any one of the outline whether you want or not. After that, you have to select layouts for your PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to select this layout for my PowerPoint presentation. You can select any one of them based on your own choice. After choosing the layout, you have to select Generate All Pages option. That's it. The AI will generate your PowerPoint presentation in just fraction of seconds. Listen of that PowerPoint presentation. You can view the PowerPoint presentation created by the AI in the Tome.ai website. Today's class we have discussed about how to create a powerful PowerPoint presentation in just fraction of seconds in Tome.ai website. In the upcoming classes, we are going to modify the text, image and video in the PowerPoint presentation of the Tome.ai website. So let's see you in the next class. Welcome everyone. Today's class we are going to discuss about the slides created by the Tome.ai website, and also we are going to discuss about how to modify the text, image, video generated by the Tome.ai website. So let's get started. The Tome.ai website creates the PowerPoint presentation about my topic, the evolution of video games from pixels to virtual reality. It creates around 7 pages. The first page consists of the topic, the evolution of the video games. It also creates the image for the evolution of the video game. In the second page, it shows the benefit of the video games. There are 3 benefits of the video games, like improved cognitive skills, and the second one is problem solving abilities, and the third one is entertainment. It also shows the description for each topic. In the third page, it shows the title, early beginning of the video games. It also creates the image of the video game in the 1950. In the fourth page, it shows the title of Mobile Gaming Revolution. It also shows the mobile phone gaming like Candy Crush and the Pokemon Go. In the fourth page, it shows the virtual reality and its beyond. It also describes the virtual reality and also generates the image for the virtual reality. In the sixth page, it shows the evolution of video games and their impact on the society. The first one is about the early days of the video games, and the second one is about the rise of the home consoles, and the third one is the digital age. In the last page, it shows about the impact of video games on society. The first one is the benefit for the cognitive skills, and the second one is problem solving abilities, and the third one is the entertainment. These are the perfect PowerPoint presentation created based on my topic, evolution of video games from pixels to virtual reality. Then we are going to see about how to modify the text, how to modify the image and video in the generated PPT. The first one we are going to see about how to modify the text. For that you have to select the text. You can also add or delete any one of the word in the PowerPoint presentation. Then you have to select the whole text for modifying the text. It shows the title or display heading or subheading for your title. I'm going to use title as default. It shows the different colors for your title. I'm going to change it as yellow or otherwise back to the default one. Also, you can add ordered list or unordered list to your title. If you don't want these changes, you can select Ctrl Z. You can also bold your title. You can also change your title to italics. You can also add underline to your word. You can also strike your word. You can also add reference to your word, and you can also add link to your title. If you don't want these changes to be made, you can also select Ctrl Z. You can also add text to your PowerPoint presentation by clicking this option. If you don't want this option, you can also select delete. The next we are going to discuss is about how to change the image generated by the tome.ai website. For that, you have to select the image. Then you have to select this 3 button option. Then it shows 3 kind of option for replacing the image. The first one is generate. First option is generate. You can type the image in the prompt. And the second option is upload. Upload your image in the PowerPoint presentation. And the third option is search. After that, you can select size for your image. For that, I am going to select fit. Then the second option is fill. And the third option is custom. You can adjust your own size based on your opinion. But I am going to select fit. So it looks like wonderful to my PowerPoint presentation. You can also add background color to your text. If you don't want anything, you can also select default. So these are the options for replacing the image. Then we have to discuss about how to add image to your PowerPoint presentation. For that, you have to select add media. Then you have to select generate. These are the ways we can add image to our PowerPoint presentation. Also, there are 2 options available for creating the image. The second one is upload and the third one is search. If you don't want this image to be in your PowerPoint presentation, you can select delete. After that, the last feature we are going to discuss is about how to add video to our PowerPoint presentation. For that, you have to select media. Then you have to select upload. You can also add any one of the video from your disk. After that, you can view your video in the PowerPoint presentation. If you don't want these options to be enabled in your PowerPoint presentation, you can also select Ctrl Z for restoring the original page. So that's it. Today's class we have discussed about what are the slides generated by the tome.ai website and how to modify the text and how to modify or add image and video to our PowerPoint presentation. In the upcoming final class, we are going to export the PowerPoint generated by the tome.ai website into our own PPT format. So let's see you in the next class. Welcome to the final class. Today's class we are going to discuss about how to export the PowerPoint presentation created by the tome.ai website into the PPT format. For that you have to select this option. If you select the Pro plan, you can easily export the PowerPoint presentation in the PPT format. If you are a basic plan, you cannot export the PowerPoint presentation in the PPT format. For that, I am going to show you some shortcut for creating the PPT format. You have to take the screenshot of the PowerPoint presentation created by the tome.ai website. Before taking the screenshot, you have to ensure all the details is correctly filled by the tome.ai website. Because if you take screenshot, you cannot edit the text in the PowerPoint presentation or any other image or video. For that, you have to ensure once again whether you have typed all the details correctly or not. After checking the details, you have to take the screenshot in the tome.ai website. I am going to take screenshot of the last page and paste it in the Microsoft PowerPoint. After taking the screenshot, you have to open Microsoft PowerPoint. You have to create a new blank page for the screenshot. Then you have to copy the screenshot you have taken from the tome.ai website. After that, you have to adjust the screenshot in the size of the PowerPoint presentation. So that's it. We have discussed about how to export the PowerPoint presentation created by the tome.ai website into the PPT format. You can also save this file into PPT format. At last you can see the PowerPoint presentation is coming with the PPT format created from the tome.ai website. So that's the end of this course. We have discussed about how to create an account in tome.ai website and how to create a powerful PowerPoint presentation in the tome.ai website in just fraction of seconds. And also we have discussed in the final class how to export the PowerPoint presentation in the PPT format. So that's all for the today's course. See you in the upcoming courses.